Hey everyone, my name is Ari Shabazi. Close up, so that way you guys get great quality, great sound. We're working on different settings and making sure that we provide the best possible education and entertainment for our audience. Today we're going to be talking about how perseverance and mindset is everything. If you're a Dragon Ball Z fan or a Naruto fan, smash that like button, because if you know me, you know that we are relentless. We never give up. We try to do our best. We try to save others, and it's all about those that are close to us. So, if you have a why here, my why is my two twin boys, and I try to do everything based off pride, kind of like Vegeta, the Prince of Saiyans, and I try to implement that same type of pride when I make my day-to-day tasks, and I'm like, hey, what makes me feel fulfilled? What gives me purpose? And a lot of people are like, hey, I want to make a lot of money, and usually that's short-lived. For me, it's like, I want to make a lot of money and leave a legacy and teach my children the good and the wrong in life. And what I want to do is teach everyone who follows my channel how to become the greatest version of yourselves and to appreciate everything you have and to enjoy the process as you get to those goals that you have been dreaming of for so long. Some people dream about the destination but are not willing to go through the journey. And I'm just going to tell you, you're going to be miserable in between if you don't learn to love it. Learn to love pain, whether that means working out and you're sore, learn to love it. Maybe you worked 8 hours, but you got 15 tasks done, but you're a little tired. Learn to love it. Go to sleep on time and repeat it again. That's what successful people do. But if you're someone like me, getting those 8 tasks done get me fueled. It makes me want to do it again. It's kind of like when you get that good workout, you feel good, you look good, so now you feel good, you look good, and you do it again. So it's going to be the same thing when you make content, or when you're working for someone else, or when you're working on your personal brand. But what I want you to remember is that mindset is everything. If you have an abundant mindset, you will achieve the things you want to achieve. No, you can't do nothing and hope that God just gives it all to you, but you can mentally prepare yourself for what's to come. And let me tell you something, one of the greatest setbacks for people is self-limiting beliefs. Like, maybe they believe, hey, if I get a 100K job, that's the most I'll ever make, or most I can make, or I can't make more than 150,000. Maybe you don't have a friend that makes over 150,000, or a parent who makes over $500,000, or someone close in your circle that can show you that this is possible. That's when I say it's very, very crucial for you to find a mentor. Either someone you look up to, where you have to pay no fee and they take care of you, or you take that leap of faith, you invest into some type of mastermind, preferably someone who's done what you want to do, and learn from top level people. Like, I argued with my one friend who I went to university with, James Madison University. We both computer information systems. We both made 100 to 200 grand working remotely as IT consultants. And he wasn't willing to drop 10 grand for a mastermind, which I dropped 10 grand into $1 Million Brand Club. Rob Oliver, the CEO of Genius, which he sold for $30 million. And now he's doing it in real time again for Top Shelf, and has created a community. And I don't have any friends that are worth $30 million that I can just give a call to anytime. I mean, I have business associates that I've engaged with. There's Persian artists I've brought that are worth more than that. But I don't really have a friend or a mentor that I can look up to and be like, hey, I saw you sell this Amazon business for 30 million. How can I do the same thing? So today is all about mindset, abundance, So understand, if you spend 10 grand on a mastermind, there's 2 types of people. There's one where they go, wow, I have this opportunity, I'm gonna take advantage of it. And then there's the second type where they start being like, it's not worth 10,000, they haven't done their due diligence, they wanted everyone to do it for them, you know. In these situations, the second person is usually going to have the same attitude towards every single thing in life, towards everything they pay for. That's the difference between a good client and a bad client in an agency, you know. Usually the bad client spent less than the good client, but is complaining 10 times more than the good client, has less faith in you than the good client, and is stressing you out for no reason than the good client. You know, tell me that isn't true. Put a like this video, or put a comment saying clients below if you've ever had a situation like this, and write out, hey, what was your experience? Was there ever a time where you did work for free? Alex Hormozy says doing work for free is great. Iman Gadji says doing work for free is not great. You know, two different types of people. I respect both of them, but I have to go with Iman Gadji when it comes to doing work for free, because when you do work for free and then someone has to pay for it the next month, they're now subtracting from the money you've made them, which is a ridiculous way to view it, but that's how the business owner views it. So I say never do anything for free. The only things you should be doing for free are softwares where it's like a 7-day trial, put in your credit card information, and after it's done, you're getting billed. Not, hey, I'm gonna work 1 month and let you decide how you feel if I've added any impact and if you want to continue this. That's a lose-lose for everyone, because they're going to feel some type of way, you're going to feel some type of way, and it's going to get stale, trust me. So have an abundant mindset, invest into others that are doing what you want to do, create a tribe, join a tribe, and take it from there, because trust me, you don't want to go through the headaches experts have gone through. If I can have an expert tell me the mistakes they've made so I don't have to make those mistakes, I think that was a good investment. So anyways, shout out Rob Oliver. I'll see you in Miami on the 18th for our masterclass. Meet up at the beach, a VIP dinner. Didn't even mean to mention you in this YouTube video, but that's what comes with a strong mindset, and you guys will see. I'll build Goat Theory, a supplement brand of mine, live. Pup Loan, a puppy cologne, live. And I've built softwares before, from ticketfam.com. If you guys follow me, you know I put Persian concerts on, and worldwide international Persian concerts, some of the best shows you'll ever see with the most high-end, classy, beautiful people in the world. So I've built a ticketing system for that. I've worked for a big corporation, Informatica, the #1 data integration company. I worked for Booz Allen, a great consulting firm. And you know, then I ended up becoming a father by the time I was 26. And you know, making less than 10 grand a month is bullshit when you have kids. You know, I know people where she makes 200 grand, he makes 200 grand, they make 400 grand, but the person who makes 400 grand a year doesn't have that much of a lifestyle difference than the person that makes 150 to 200 grand. Do you see what I'm saying? They're still paycheck to paycheck. You know, maybe they have 6 figures in savings, but they're no near the 7-figure mark, and they're still working for someone else, and they're still trading their time for money. That's why I joined $1 Million Brand Club, and that's why I'm following the blueprint Robert Oliver has set out for everyone. And you know, I'm gonna post more videos about that. But thanks for your time, guys. If you gained value today, click that like button, leave a comment below. I'll make sure to get to as many of them as possible, and I'll see you next time.